Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Just click that red button that says subscribe. There you click that bell sign so that you'll be first to be notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. In today's video guys, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make natural remedies for sore throat, flu, cough and cold. So let's get started. So these are all the ingredients that I'll be using for the natural remedy for sore throat, cough and flu. So yeah, I got my jar, I got a ball of lemon, I'm using ginger for this video, I got a ball of garlic, here is my honey. Please, for better results, you can use unprocessed honey. So this one I've got from the shop, which I'm using. So here I got the peeler and the knife. So let's move to the next stage. So we are going to start by peeling off the skin of our ginger. You can leave it, it's optional. And I'm going to take off all the garlic gloves. So let's get started. So here is the peeler, just to take off the skin of the ginger. You are going to use the whole of it. This is just a natural remedy, no chemical added to it. This natural remedy is good for both adults and children. Especially that winter is coming, you have to do this and keep them in your own home for remedy to cold, remedy to sore throat, remedy to cough. So now finish peeling the skin of our ginger. So here is our garlic. I'm going to use the whole of it. Now I'm just going to take off the whole of the garlic skin like that. So I'm going to do it little by little because I know it's going to give me a little bit of time to take them off. So guys, we are done taking off the skin of our garlic. People can see how I'm taking off the skin of the garlic. That is how I know how the best way to take off the garlic skin. But if you know a better way, fine. So here is our ginger. I'm going to start washing them up. Please, this has not been washed. So now I'm going to wash them. Now, it's very necessary you wash whatever you are using for hygiene's sake. So now I'm going to add it to the chopping board. So guys, here's the time for us to start cutting our ginger, garlic and lemon. If you don't have lemon, you can also swap this for lime. Yes. You can see that I didn't take off the skin of the lemon. The skin of the lemon is very beneficial to our health. It even works better than the juice, I would say. When you're cutting, make sure you get rid of the seed. So I'm just cutting it so that I can get into my jar. So now it's time for us to cut the ginger. Make sure you cut everything into pieces. You guys can see what I'm doing. Please don't add water. So here is our garlic. Please, you must make sure you say that you cut your garlic into chunks, or you can grate it or mash it, please, for better result, so that you're able to infuse the medicine into the mist, into the jar. So don't just throw the garlic glove like that. You must chop it, you must cut it. Very, very important. Cut it. See what I'm saying? It cut it before adding it. So now, guys, we are done. So yeah, all of it. So now, like I said, you need this jar for it. Any jar you can use for it. So now let's start adding our stuff, our garlic, our ginger. Just put it inside, and our lemon. I see that. Take this off. So guys, and look at that. We are done. So the next thing you're going to do. So we are going to add our honey. Look at that. Here's our honey. I'm just going to pour it inside. I'm not pouring everything. I'm just going to pour like half of it. Yeah. I'm going to need something like spoon to, like, you know, press it in very well. And now we are going to add more. So I think that is enough. So we are going to allow it to settle. You know, before it settles, I'm just going to cover it up and shake it. Yes, very important to shake it. So I'm going to keep shaking this, and later on I'm going to show you how settled it is and how you can have it. So see you guys in a bit. Guys, here is our natural remedy for sore throat, cough and flu. So I've allowed it to settle. Please allow yours to settle and shake. So now I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to open it and show you guys how I take mine. So here's how it is. Here's my spoon. So just going to have yeah, just a teaspoon. So it doesn't mean you can still chew the garlic if you want to chew everything. So I'm going to have a taste. Wow, guys, this is really nice. You can just take 2 tablespoons or a tablespoon 3 times a day. For kids, just give them a teaspoon. Just natural. Please, whenever you are taking it, make sure you shake before having it. Hope you guys find this video useful. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. Bye and God